it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access, your one-stop shop for everything home safety and home accessibility. We're very passionate about fall prevention, aging in place, and increasing your accessibility at home. So in past weeks, we've certainly spoken about the floor-to-ceiling pole. Now with the showroom, we're able to demonstrate the use of it. So I figured for this Tip Tuesday video, I figured I'd demonstrate the utilization of one of the poles. So all we need to install this is a flat ceiling, which can be anywhere from 8 to 12 feet high. We can accommodate a ceiling as long as it's flat, and we can mount into the ground and the ceiling if the individual would like us to mount it. However, the main function of it with the installation is heavy duty tension, that we have a special wrench to crank this here. So it's heavy duty, really strong grip with the tension between the floor and the ceiling. So what we do here is install it strategically where the individual needs it to maximize their mobility, and oftentimes it's somewhere where we can't just put a grab bar into the wall. So in this instance, say it was next to a chair that didn't have armrests, and the individual was otherwise searching for ways to get up. Perhaps this is the toilet area, and then it's simply going to be right here, and it can help them up, and then also ease their way down. So you can put this at the top of stairs, you can put this next to the toilet, you can put it next to the primary seating, whether it's a sofa or a love seat or a reclining chair even, as long as you have a flat ceiling. This actually rotates on 45 degrees, so oftentimes we'll install this type when we can't get the pole exactly where we need it. Perhaps a nightstand is in the way next to the bed. There's also the option that we'll show right here, which is the little more simple version. It doesn't have the grab bar, it just has a padded grip. Folks love that one when we can position it directly where they need it and there's no obstacles, and then they can just grab that and help them up and down. So that's the floor-to-ceiling pole demonstrated. Again, you're able to climb up this one, and we're able to strategically put it wherever we'd like. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll be back next week with another Tip Tuesday video. OakleyHomeAccess.com, 401-429-3882 is the phone number. You can either call or visit the website to set up a free assessment. We have this and a wide variety of other products on display here at the showroom, 322 South Pier Road in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Come on by for a visit as well. All right, thanks for tuning in.